Hey there, check out the ILLINOS Tactical Backpack plus First Aid Kit, perfect for outdoor adventures. This 47-liter military-style bag is made with durable 600D waterproof fabric, ensuring your gear stays safe and dry. It features multiple compartments including pockets for small essentials, electronics, and even a hidden back pocket for valuables. The First Aid Kit is compact yet spacious enough for bandages and other emergency supplies. Designed with reinforced seams, breathable shoulder straps, and sturdy buckles, it offers comfort and reliability on the move. The MOLLE system and endearing attachments let you customize with extra gear like carabiners or whistles. Whether hiking, camping, or traveling, this tactical backpack is built for tough, long-lasting use. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.